Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a super easy, healthy Indian dessert that literally melts in your mouth. Coconut Date Barfi. And the best part, no refined sugar, no baking, and just a few simple ingredients. This is perfect for festive cravings, late night sweets, or even guilt-free snacking. So let's start with the base. In a blender, add 1 cup of soft peated dates. I am using medjool dates. Make sure your dates are nice and soft. This helps create that perfect smooth texture. Now add 200 ml of coconut cream. Blend it until this becomes completely smooth and creamy. You are looking for a thick caramel-like consistency. This mixture is naturally sweet, rich, and honestly smells amazing already. Now let's move on to the stove. Take a pan and add 2 cups of shredded coconut. Toast it on a medium heat. Keep stirring continuously so it doesn't burn. After a few minutes, you will notice it turning slightly golden and aromatic. That's exactly what we want. Now pour in that date and coconut cream mixture. Mix everything together slowly. Now in the mixture, add 2 teaspoons of a cardamom powder for that classic Indian dessert flavor. Now add 2 teaspoons of a coconut oil to enhance richness. Add just a pinch of sea salt. Trust me, this balances the sweetness beautifully. Now keep mixing this on a low heat. You will see the mixture thickening and coming together into a soft dough like a paste. At this stage, everything should be well combined, glossy and slightly sticky. That's when you know it's ready. Now take a small deep tray and line it with a parchment paper. Transfer the mixture into the tray. Spread it evenly using spatula. Smooth out the top nicely. These steps really helps gives that clean, professional barfi look. Now sprinkle some crushed pistachios on top. Press them gently so they sticks. This not only adds crunch but also makes it look absolutely beautiful. Now refrigerate this for about 2 hours. Let it set completely. Once it's firm, take it out and cut it into squares or diamond shape just like a traditional barfi. Look at that texture, soft, chewy, rich and naturally sweet. And that's it, your healthy coconut date barfi is ready. No extra sugar, no preservatives, just clean ingredients and just amazing flavors. Perfect for serving guests, gifting or just treating yourself. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and let me know in the comments what dessert should I make next. I will see you in my next recipe. Until then, bye. Take care.